Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a balance sheet on a Google spreadsheet. So first thing you have to do, open your documents, and after that let's work on these documents. So to work on these documents, you just need to go click cells, which is the combination between the column and rows, the cells that you want to start to have the informations. And for the balancing sheet, I think I need several columns. So the first column I would like to fill with the date, and for the next it can be information, and then the second it will gonna be a debit, the next is credit, and the final is total. Now let's change this title to be in a center, and after that we need to change the color to make it like different with the rest information letter. And after that we need to go at the borders, so we will create the tables, block the cells into the specific amount, and after that just go click this and click this part to have a border line. And now we already have this several information. Now in the dates, you need to add the dates when you put or entering the information. For example, in the 1st of November, so you just need to follow this step. So this will be gonna 1 November 2023. You can do this if you are willing to have only number, but if you want to have the information of the month, you just need to go this instead. Click 1 and go get this dash and go at the name of the month, for example like this, and just go click done. Okay, and then for the information you just need to add the expense or the income cells that you get on those dates. For example, on those dates you need to there will be a cash income. You just need to type a cash income. Hold a second. Cash income. And since the cash income will be money that comes to you, so you need to fill in a debit part, and in this debit part you need to use a currency format. So you just need to go click in this formula, and in the search button just go type dollar, and then you just need to click it. And now you just need to add the number, how many money that comes to you. For example, like 2,300,000 rupiah, like this, and then you just need to go click done. And now you already have this, the money that comes to you. And for the credit, you just need to do the same, looking for in the formula and go click the dollar. Since there is no expense, so you just need to go click 0 and go click done. Okay, so for the next, for example, you need to buy a milk here, and then means that there is no money coming to you. So in the debit part you just need to go click dollars again and just type 0, because there is no money comes to you, but the money comes out from you. So add the dollar and just add how much the milk cost. For example, you need to buy the milk for 222,000, and the money that you use for buying this milk is come from the cash income. So here in a total, you just need to do an equations by go click the equals. So the total will be a debit minus the credit, and after that just go click done. But for the rest, oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot to add the function which is dollar. My bad. Let me fix it for you. So you just need to go click X the dollars, and after that you just need to go click this and minus the credit. Oh my bad. Here you go, and done. And but for the second part or second cells in a total, you need to do different equation, which is equals. So the total will be plus. Let's add the dollar first. So the total, the E6 cells plus this, the second debit minus the second credit. So that just go click done. So there will be like this debit will be minus with this credit. So that's it. That's the way how to create a balance sheet on a Google spreadsheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.